Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see connected Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're connected to any Wi-Fi network and now you want to see your connected Wi-Fi password, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply click on this Wi-Fi option here and then you click on Wi-Fi and here after the connected Wi-Fi you must see the eye icon or the info icon. Just click on it. So it will open in your settings. Just scroll up and you will see the show option here. You can see this Wi-Fi network password and here's the show. Just click on it and you can easily see your Wi-Fi password. You can also get the QR code to connect with. Or you can also go to your settings, click on this window button, click on settings to open your settings. Now in settings just click on network and internet and then click on Wi-Fi. Then click on your connected network. Click on this show option to show your Wi-Fi password. So in this way, you can easily see your connected Wi-Fi password in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.